In the summer of 1974, two friends' idyllic summer drive became a nightmare. The fact that they died violently makes it all the more tragic, but they could have never imagined the mad and the macabre of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Hey man, thanks for coming out here to check out my parents' grave. Why don't you read my horoscope? You're an Aries, right? Aries, you will run into a weird and uncontrollable, unstoppable force, causing fate. Hey look, a hitchhiker. Well, pick him up! Hey, thanks for the ride. You guys should, come over for some head cheese. My brother, he makes it the best. Hey man, I don't want to eat no head cheese. That's like a cow's head. Sounds really gross, man. I took your photo. $5. $5 for a Polaroid? You're nuts. I'd never pay $5 for that. That's craziness, man. I think we're gonna have to ask you to get out, hitchhiker. You're weird. Man, we're almost out of gas. Hey look, a house. Maybe they have gasoline. Listen, my car broke down. I was wondering if you have any spare gasoline. Hello? Look what Leatherface did to the door! Bitch! What'd you do? It's you! I know you! I know you! You thought you'd get away from us! Leatherface! Go get Grandpa! Get him, Grandpa. You're the best. You're a goddamn blood drinker. He makes the best goddamn head cheese. Get him, Grandpa. Go get that hog bitch, Leatherface! Dog will, huh? Dog will!